Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a fishing pole in Minecraft. Let's get into it. First, get two broken fishing poles. The first step is to gather the tools that are starting to wear out. You need more than one piece to make the fix work. Look in your storage boxes for two fishing poles that have red or orange bars under them. Put both of these broken poles into your main carrying bag so you have them ready. Because the game lets you combine two old items to make one strong one. You have to have two items for your because the computer takes the good parts from both to fix the breaks. Without this step, you wouldn't have enough material to make a full, working tool today. Next, use your crafting table. You need to go to your workspace where you build all your items. Walk up to your wooden crafting table and open the grid. You can also use the small grid inside your own bag if you are far away from your house because the table gives you the space to work on your items. This grid is the only place where you can put two things together to make something better. It ensures you have the right setup to combine your tools safely and quickly. Next, combine the two poles. Now, you are going to put both of the broken items into the workspace at the same time. Place one broken fishing pole in the first box and the other broken pole in the box right next to it. Look at the box on the right side to see the new fishing pole that has a full green bar because it shows you how much better the new tool will be. By putting them together, the game adds the strength of both poles and gives you a little bit of extra power. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure your tool doesn't break the next time you go to the water. And that's it. To fix a fishing pole in Minecraft, you must first get two broken poles from your bags. Then, you open your crafting table to find your workspace. Next, you put both poles in the grid to combine their strength. Finally, you take the new pole and go back to catching fish. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.